Having trouble getting past the loading screen? Let's troubleshoot some common issues. First, lower your graphics settings. High settings can strain your system and cause slow loading times or freezes, especially on older hardware. Close unnecessary background applications. These programs can consume valuable system resources and slow down the game's loading process. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can lead to performance issues and compatibility problems. Visit the manufacturer's website for the latest updates. Defragment your hard drive, especially if it's a traditional HDD. Fragmentation can slow down file access and increase loading times. SSDs generally don't need defragmentation. If all else fails, try reinstalling the game. This can fix corrupted files or other issues that might be causing the problem. Make sure to delete any remaining game files after uninstalling. If these steps don't solve the issue, check the game's official forums or contact support for more assistance. Now get back in the game.